Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your Discord nickname on the Discord mobile app. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Your Discord nickname is different from your username. You can have a different nickname for every server that you are a part of. To change your nickname, open up the server that you want to change it in. Tap the server name from the top of the screen. Scroll down and you will see the Change Nickname button. Enter your desired nickname and then tap Save. When you talk on that server now, it will show your new nickname. To remove your nickname and talk as your normal username again, go back into the Change Nickname setting and simply delete the text and then tap Save. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Discord tips and tricks.